Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're gonna break down how to turn on vibration on silent mode on your iPhone. It's a super simple process, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up your Settings app. Once you're in there, scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, and tap on it. Next, you'll want to tap on Haptics, which is usually found right underneath the ringtone slider. This is where the magic happens. Now, here's where you choose when you want your iPhone to vibrate. If you only want it to vibrate when it's in silent mode, tap on Play in silent mode. But if you want your iPhone to vibrate both in silent and ring mode, then you'll want to select Always Play. And that's it. Seriously, that's all there is to it. You can exit out of the Settings app, and the next time you get an alert while your iPhone is on silent, it will vibrate. This is based on my personal experience. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. You can also find some helpful links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.